everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cute caterpillar step by step. So let's get started. First, let's start by drawing a big circle for the caterpillar's head. Draw it in the center of your paper. Directly below the head, draw an oval shape. This will be the first segment of the body. The oval should slightly overlap the head to make the connection look natural. Continue drawing more oval shapes for the body segments. Each segment should slightly overlap the one before it. Draw at least 6-8 segments, depending on how long you want your caterpillar to be. Draw 2 small circles inside the head for the eyes. Position them towards the upper part of the head. Below the eyes, draw a small curved line for a smiling mouth. On top of the head, draw 2 short lines that curve outward. At the end of each line, draw a small circle. These are the caterpillar's antennae. On the underside of each body segment, draw 2 short lines coming out to form legs. Each leg should have a small circle or oval at the end to represent the caterpillar's feet. Caterpillars typically have more legs towards the front, so you can make the front legs more prominent. Yellow color.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball,
orange color.
Ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll,
light green color.
doll. E is for elephant,
Pink color.
elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for goat, goat.
Light blue color.
H is for hand, hand.
Red color.
I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jump, jump. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo.
Purple
L
color.
is for lion, lion. M is for
Brown
mat,
color.
mat. N is for net, net. O is for orange, orange. P is for pet, pet. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for toad, toad. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra.
And there you have it, a cute caterpillar drawing. Thanks for following along, and happy drawing!